Hello everyone and welcome back. I'm JP and this is week 13 of my $10,000 prop firm challenge. This week was honestly a tough one. Not because I broke my rules or because I did anything reckless, but simply because the market kept handing me losses. I'm human after all, and after a streak like this, it's hard not to feel a bit disappointed. At the same time, the rules are the rules, and my job is to keep following the process. So let's go through the week. Coming into this week, my account balance was $9,775. I'm still trading the same way, where I only trade during London, I'm only trading on gold, and I'm limiting myself to 1 day trade a day. No trade management, every trade is either a full win or a full loss, and this week, unfortunately, it was mostly losses. Monday gave a long setup on gold during London. The trade actually looked promising at first and ran about halfway toward the target, but later in the day it reversed and eventually hit my stop loss. So Monday finished minus 1R and my balance dropped to 9,725. Tuesday, another long setup appeared during London. This one didn't take long at all. Within minutes the trade moved against me and hit my stop loss. Another minus 1R. Now my balance was sitting at 9,675. At this point the losing streak was starting to feel pretty heavy. Wednesday, another long setup formed, and unfortunately the result was exactly the same. The trade triggered and eventually stopped out. That pushed the balance down to 9,625, and by this point I was sitting with several losses in a row. Not fun at all, but still part of the process. Thursday there was simply no valid trades or an invitation to join the market, so I didn't trade, and sometimes that's actually the best decision one can make. Friday, I finally got a short setup on gold during London. I took the trade exactly according to my rules, but again, the market went the other way and hit my stop loss. So Friday closed the week with another minus 1R. So the end result for the week is 4 losses in 1 day without a trade. And that brings the account down to 9,575. Now I'm not going to pretend that that feels good. After this many losses in a row, it's definitely frustrating. But the important part is this. Every trade followed the rules. I didn't revenge trade, I didn't suddenly change the system, and I didn't introduce trade management. Just execution. There are a couple of key takeaways from this week. First, losing streaks are real. Even with a strategy that works over time, there will be periods where the market simply doesn't cooperate. Second, discipline matters most during these periods. It's very easy to start second guessing your rules or trying to fix something in the middle of a drawdown, but that's usually where the real damage happens. So for now, the plan stays exactly the same. One instrument, one session, one valid setup at a time. So that's it for week 13 of the challenge. Not the result I was hoping for, but still part of the journey. Next week I'll continue trading the exact same way and documenting everything honestly. If you want to follow the challenge from the beginning, you can check the full playlist on the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next recap.